In this video, I'll be showing you how you can create a school space in CloudNote. Yes, let me say you are a school owner and you want to create a school space in CloudNote. Let me show you how to do that. First of all, you have to be already logged in into CloudNote. So if you haven't logged in into CloudNote or you haven't signed up and you don't know how to do this, then you can check out our previous videos where we showed you guys how you can log in into CloudNote and how you can create an account in CloudNote and to get you started. So after logging into CloudNote, now you have to be at the CloudNote lobby page. So go over to this section and right around this corner where I'm hovering my cursor around, you see this section that says create space. So that is what we are going to be clicking on. So let's click on create space. Then the moment you click on create space, we are at this section. So let's click next. Now you see what it says, personalize your space information. So what does it mean? It means put in the information that you want to name your space or your school. Maybe your school is Johnson International Group of School. You can put that right there. So now let's say our space name is Johnson. Now if you click on the section that says school logo, what we have to do after clicking the plus icon is to go over and pick a logo for your school. Now you could decide to put a profile picture, but you could also put a logo, for professionalism. Now let's have that right there. So for the email, all we have to do is put in the email address which we want people to reach out to us. So after putting our email address, let's scroll down here to the bottom. Then you can see alias. What the space alias means is we could put the short form of our school name, which is our space name. We can put it in the short form. So let's say Johnson Secondary School. We can make it JSS, something like that. So let's make it JSS, Johnson Secondary School. Now the description of our school, the description of your school is what determines if people find interest in your school. So you have to put so many descriptions about your school. Is it a day school? Is it a boarding school? Is it a school located in Port Harcourt or in China or in France or in Portugal? You have to put that all right here. Now let's just go in and just put something short. So we just want to have something short right here, not really long. So what we will do right now, we need to go over to this part that says type. So it's just very easy. Now we have to select the type of school that we want to have. Is it a private school owned by a private individual, a public school owned by the government? So now we can decide to put private school, but for now we'll put in a private school. Now for the curriculum, we have hybrid, we have Montessori, we have Nigeria, we have British. We're going to go for hybrid learning. So now at this section right here where it says space categories, this talks about what your school is about mostly. Is it for kindergarten? Is it for crèche? Is it for nursery? Is it for daycare? Is it for primary? Is it for secondary? Polytechnic? You can identify those right here. But our school is a secondary school, so we can put secondary. So after putting secondary, there's only one thing we need to put now: membership type. So how do you want your school to run? Is it a free school or is it a paid school? If it's a free school, then right here you can put free. But if it's a paid school, when they have tuition fee, where they have like section fee, and they have graduation fee, and they have books and materials and uniform, so what you have to do is put it on paid. That's what you need to do. Now after putting it on paid, there's something you also need to do. You need to select the currency that you want to be paid in. Is it naira? Is it dollar? Is it pounds? Is it cedis? Whatsoever currency that you want to be paid in, you can put that right here. So because my school is in Nigeria, I'm just going to put naira. So that is what I'm going to put it in. But you can put it in whatsoever currency you want to be paid in. All right, so let's come over to this section at the bottom. Now you will see two instructions right here. Do you want CloudNote to automatically create classes for you, or do you want to do it yourself? But if you want to do it manually, you can leave it on no. So if you want CloudNote to automatically create subject for you, you can do the same based on what you choose. So let's keep it turned off for now and let's click on next. Now we are at this section where we can put in the country. Now let's say our country is Nigeria. Now let's select Nigeria. Now let's select Rivers. Now we have to put in our address. So you can go ahead and put in your address. All I'm going to do now is to go over to our city, and our city is what? Port Harcourt. And all I'll do is just go over to this section, then let's select Port Harcourt. Now let's go over to this section right here that says phone number. So we have to put in a phone number that we want people to reach out to us on right here. Now let's click submit. Now as you can see, the space has been created successfully. This is very quick, very easy, and we've just created our school in CloudNote. So now what we're going to do is we will click on refresh. Now let's see what we have here. So as you can see, our school is now right close to the school that we are a student in. So my school now is Johnson Secondary School. Then once you click on it, you can see the name of the school, Johnson Secondary School. Now you can see the description which I told you about is located right here. This is a day school and boarding school that teaches secondary level education to young minds. So right here you can see the students, the number of students you have, the number of teachers you have, the number of parents you have, and the number of classes, and you can get every information you want right here in CloudNote. So that's all for this video, and if you did enjoy it, then let me know in the comments below. Then if you have any question, then feel free to reach out to us on any of our social media platforms or drop it below in the comment section. So thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one.